I'm Michaela Chavez, your neighborhood news reporter in Kingsville. I'm on 5th and Yoakum, and as you can see behind me, much of this street is flooded. And even though there wasn't widespread flooding in Kingsville, there are still some residents who have been impacted by the flooding. When Liz McCullough went to go pick up some mail Thursday morning, she ran into a problem while out on the roads.
On the way back, I came up on that intersection and I thought, well, it can't be that deep, you know. And you hear turn around, don't drown, but you don't hear turn around or you'll wreck your car.
She found her engine splash shield folded backwards up on her front tire, making it unsafe to drive any further in that part of town. She's headed to Galveston Friday morning and is hoping to find a replacement part before she takes off.
I have a long drive ahead of me, and if we hit more water, or if, the wind or whatever moves there's no brace there anymore, and the shield for the water's not there anymore. So I'm worried it could still do some damage if we can't find that part.
Street crews with the city were out working Thursday morning, monitoring drainage and closing streets that were more impacted than others, like 17th and Tranquita Creek. I drove around the city for some time, and for the most part, streets are drivable and clear. The city of Kingsville is continuing their work with their flood mitigation project to reduce flooding in the city for future storms that may hit. McCullough says her husband, who's a mechanic, is already ordering parts so she can have her car fixed and drive safely this upcoming weekend. With your neighborhood news in Kingsville, I'm Michaela Chavez, Chris 6 News.